Can Flask have optional URL parameters? Is it possible to directly declare a Flask URL optional parameter? Currently I'm proceeding the following way. How can I directly say that username is optional?
Another way is to write. But I guess that you want to write a single route and mark username as optional? If that's the case, I don't think it's possible.
Almost the same as Audrius cooked up some months ago, but you might find it a bit more readable with the defaults in the function head, the way you are used to with Python.
If you are using Flask RESTful like me, it is also possible this way. Then, in your resource class,
This URL.
Direct to workshop. This is encoded.